So here we are on the iconic Palm Jumeirah. This is the pinnacle of beachfront living here in Dubai.
Just like this, 1 bedroom B-type. 2 beds are the most desirable type and layouts. And you know why? Because all F-types come with a full sea view.
These 3-bedroom apartments stand out for various reasons. First of all, it's the size. So most people that have rented these apartments with us are typically young families, maybe husband, wife, 2 children. And the reason they like these properties is because you have great beach access, you have a fantastic pool, gym inside the building, in this particular building in Al Das. And especially with young families, we still have a lot of bars and restaurants. Hopefully you found this video interesting, and we've tried to pack as much information in about Shoreline Apartments as we can. We have an open house this weekend and we'd love you to join us. Bye for now.